Welcome again to Budget with Brian. Today we're going to be talking about wood screws. Very humble wood screws. And most people would say a screw is a screw. Is a screw. And it's a screw. It's a silver screw. Why would I make a point about its colour? Well, I've actually found that silver screws, in the main, tend to be difficult to work with long term. This one will probably go in my piece of wood in a moment perfectly well. But quite often, they don't. When you want to take them out, they're difficult to come out. Sometimes it's because the person using the tool has got the wrong tool bit. Sometimes it's because we're going in at an angle. But quite often, if that screw fails, snaps in the hole, won't come out, we've got a problem that belies the fact that it was cheap. What's the alternative to that then? The alternative is a gold screw. Again, it's not the colour that matters, it's what they indicate that it is made of. This is a screw from Optimaxx, and here is the Optimaxx 5mm by 70mm, and I'm going to be driving that one in a moment. Its main advantage is, like modern screws, like good screws, it has a drill bit at the front which will help it to start. And when I put it into the wood itself, it will drive itself in. Just like that. Brilliant. That's what you'd hope any screw would do. And I expect this one will too. So we give it a go. Yeah. Not a problem. You heard that little buzz there, and it was beginning to come out. One of the advantages of this wood screw, just look at that, how it holds. It's because it's got a deeper recessed head, and that means that it's less likely to come out when it's really hard driven. Generally speaking, hardened shaft, fast thread, fast starting, deep recessed head, and for countersinking, this one has got more detail around its head to make it countersink into the wood. That will make it countersink into the wood better than some others. Some others don't have as much serration on the top. These are not the cheapest screws in the world, but they are pretty damn good. This is this kit here comes from the FFX exhibition that we've been going on about. It was a bargain offer. You've got 1,200 screws, wood screws in here. You get the box, and this box is really quite smart. It's got lovely aluminium clips, and it came with a beautiful 5mm tape. All of that was £36. Not bad, eh? The screws are available from FFX, but also you can look online, and Optimaxx are offering these in a number of different stores now. Now, I did promise that I would show you what's happening on the bodrometer. And if we go over to the bodrometer, what we'll see is that we now have a magnificent 517 subscribers, so thank you very much indeed. We've been viewed at 268 and nearly 269,000 viewings. We've got 13 new subscribers in the last 7 days, and we've made 162 films. So don't forget, the subscribe button's down there, and the invitation to make comments. Please you feel free, and thank you again for watching Budget with Brian.